How y'all doing? You must have just hit play. Thank you very much. Anyway, he says he looks short. Well, it's because of the way the camera angle is too. But thanks for clicking on the link. Thanks for clicking on play. Thanks for hanging out with us. We appreciate it. Oops, sorry about that. That's rest in peace. I was gonna say that's not gonna help with the what is it? The no, that's not the manual. Oh, there goes again. Stabilization. There you go. That was all over the place right there. That was funny. Anyway, hope you guys are doing good. Hope you're having fun. Hope you're having a great day today. Today is, I'm not gonna say what day it is because I don't know what I'm gonna put the vlog of. Anyway, but it's Mother's Day, so now you know it's Sunday, so I'm an idiot. Anyway, so we're on our way to my mom's house. We're gonna go eat some food with them. I already did the Mother's Day thing with her. Did Mother's Day with my wife. Her and my daughter are gonna go do some stuff today, so we're all kind of separated, but it's all good. We'll be back together later on. So me and this kid are gonna go into town. Wanted to ask y'all, what would y'all like to see from this vlog, from this video, from our videos? What? Like, do you think you'd want to see like some filters that we can put into the video, like this one? Oh, do you want to see us maybe do this filter? He doesn't like when I do that. Oh, this thing is off. Sorry, this thing's gonna be bumpy as hell because this road sucks. Anyway, so I'm just wondering, or do you want to see more of San Antonio, or do you want to see things around town, especially for the people that are out of town? Obviously, the people who are in town, they don't care. They've seen all this stuff a million times. But we're just trying to get some ideas. We want to keep the vlog going, right?
Yeah. The road.
He said
like
yes.
someone.
What, dude? I'm looking at the road the whole time.
You're gonna put a timer in this vlog on looking how many times you look at the camera.
Okay. Anyway, well, you're not looking at the camera. You're just staring off into space.
I'm looking at the road because I'm gonna be a driver pretty soon.
Trying to make an entertaining vlog here.
Ya Momma.
Entertaining vlog right now.
Ya Momma.
So we're gonna go do that. We'll see what happens. I don't really have anything else to say, but
When did they put those in there?
slow you down.
I said when.
Oh, I don't know. There's a why. We're in a construction zone, or coming up to one now, where they're building all new bridges for San Antonio, because they're building bridges every freaking where on our side of town.
Bridges.
Bridges, Holmes. Why don't they check out the bridge? That's it.
That's not even a bridge.
That is a bridge. What are you doing?
That's not even a bridge.
Dude, that is a bridge.
That is not a bridge.
Alright.
That's a road.
That is a bridge. That is a road. Look, is that not a bridge up there? That is off the ground.
I'm talking about this.
Oh, you're talking about that. I don't know what he's talking about. So anyway, whoa. So anyway, we're gonna go eat.
Faces in the camera.
I don't care. You made me look at it. See, that doesn't count. You made me look at it. You made me look at the damn camera.
Sit down, be humble.
Alright, so we're at a stop sign.
Ya Momma.
He just disappeared. Alright, y'all. So we're coming over here. I thought we were going to Salt Lick, but we're going to Salt Grass. So I looked at the wrong menu. So now I don't even know what the hell I'm thinking. I don't know why it was so dark, but now it's not. What was that? Anyway, so we're here, Salt Grass. We're going to go eat some steak.
Salty.
With the grandma and grandpa. See you in a minute.
Pick it up by hand.
Things you find at the restaurant. And the rocks. Right before people to go to eat.
This is where crabs are.
Look, we might find some crabs under those rocks.
It's open too.
Somebody used it?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we morphed back to the house. Nate's actually outside working on his bike, so I'm gonna go out there and see what he's doing. I don't know what kind of mess he's making or anything like that. Dude, what the heck?
Huh.
Go, Knox. So Knox is trying to get out. What are you doing?
Taking off the brakes.
Did you get him off? He's working on his bike.
I got the back one off. So
They cut grass.
I cut the wire. And then this one.
Yeah. There's Knox, y'all.
Yeah. Rip.
You having fun?
Yeah. Hey, Mr. Spider, how long have you been?
That's what we're doing for the rest of the day. So we're gonna cut the vlog right here. It's gonna be a short one. All we did was go eat, and I don't know what else I'm gonna put on there. You alright?
Yeah.
Okay. But thanks for hanging out. Thanks for checking it out. Don't forget, we use TubeBuddy on every single video. Click the link in the description. We're an affiliate for them. If you're on YouTube and you're doing videos of any sort, it can help you out for sure. Don't forget, we still have t-shirts available. Links in the description. Be sure to check out anything we may have tagged on here, any other channels, that kind of thing. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff. And we appreciate y'all hanging out with us, because we couldn't do this without you at all. You alright back there?
Finally got this brake off.
He's a little frustrated, folks. That's almost a defeated young man right there.
No, I'm not defeated yet.
Okay, he's not defeated. Alright, we're gonna go. We'll see you next time.